6.
O house of Israel, can I not do with you as this potter does?
As
Declares
the
the
potter,
Lord.
as what? As
Potter
the
does.
potter does. Yes. You know, let me just check. The blonde pot are in the but it's again. Yeah? Yeah. The blonde pots are in our homes, but it is a clean. So, Hebadieta, Mutadieta, Bamisa, a potter. Now, Nashi very receive it over that I have known. Even if you are travels and it's over, the best thing that I can do is something round, fair. And that's not art. But they do beautiful things. God, it's over. Not the super but beautiful things. No, kota fella is not miracle. Half is a fella on what is called a sculpture. No, but really more to say beautiful things on our farm. Baba Marna, we have those things in our homes. Now, Bangi Demba Zaka, Davreka Kalitsopa. It takes time, whatever you want to consider. It takes time. You know, it's a little bit soft, and then holy jiki sali jiki, holy cover soli cover, you know, you mold something out of nothing. Now, Mudimo Abdel Jeremiah, Arena, Relitsopa in the potter's end. This statement is very much important. Horena, Herilomo Creste, he reshapes us over a new shape. And then receive you are now in the past. Now, how can Obupa whatever? Otherwise, at home, what's is going to shock you. Horlutupane is not in compliance with what you are doing. Ask it? Because whether you want to shape this thing, you want to make a vase over a vase, over a blown pot, or a condensed and summer blown. How does I find out how you be a mother, this thing you change over something else? But the potter, when this thing is in the shape here in Yaka, halaki lutupale. Halaki lutupale. What it does, what it's here, what it's in Sakamala happy, with some. Happy, and then only for a new shape. But no, this is how God is working with us. This is how God is working with us. This is how God is working with me. You know, in Romans chapter 6, verse 4, I am going to give you a new person. I'm going to make a new person in us. With me. Now, some of us, we are so hard. Have I referred this shape? Marinaka, this shape. Have I cover in this way? Marinaka going to cover in this way. And I think that is being arrogant. That is being hard with God. And when I don't know what one will do. I get in that manner. Always home or whatever society hope it's all until change shape it will shock you, it will surprise you, it will make you sad, or this thing is not in compliance with what I want it to be. So in this picture, you know, that's when TDJs are in the potter's hand. Could God do what you want me to be, Molefasing? It's not my choice or give it this way, but it's God's choice because I am in the potter's hand. And if the power is within me to do what I want, then in a I must be in compliance. I must listen. I must comply. I'm going this way, keep over here this way. And he never listens. The potter said, as he is, you know, I'm cast to hell. go fitlhela se tsang se ba in the shape seo a se nyakang. Now, ha se ba bopa this thing, I know one person in Pretoria, o na le oven e has no a etsa se a se tsang, o tsa that model ya ntho e ditseng o itsentsha kae into an oven. Gore etseng, it must stand the test of fire. It must be tested. Gore ke yona na. He fetsa fela, then wa ipenta, we be a. In the corners in KwaMhlanga, I see this woman from Zimbabwe. But so the blombo to the cat, the chili, the white, the color to the by the way defined by the Vikings. And sometimes Avanyaki chele. But give us the truth. But failure back. Okay. It's their business how they do it. But for this thing is into a fire, it must be tested. It can stand the test of time. Our sister Palestine today has done it. Already has no awukwa, but Mushepa the way that he did, and he went through the rivers of water. Atsenakamiti, Atoele, Manawuti. That is compliance. Okay. Remember, let it change our shape. Let it be like this. And next time, same with you, I don't think we'll make it. I don't think we'll make it. Because we are not complying. Aratamaya standard so mudimu arako rebe kaso. Na enya karna loena. Hervala this phrase again. Agiso kulevala kasi julo kasi agis.
Erlina kama kwa Israel. Gaske ka dira olena ka mupio agirile okaho. Ubelela Jehova. Bona njalo ka le tsopa lele go atleng sa mupi.
Yes.
Lele na ba ngo kwa Israel ni bialo se atleng sa.
Le bialo on my head. Le bialo mosatin saka. Na hele le bialo mosatin saka, he gives us the shape you and I. Last time when I heard this thing, all what I could do now, because I'm not an artist, it is just something roundish, fair. But Baba, maybe you can form a beautiful thing like the ladies Palawa Tango Zimbabwe, those phrases, no, the blombo to say. And then Baba, especially the Palawa, sorry, the Nabanar to you don't have interest. But on the other side, by the level, they appreciate them and they buy them. Okay? Because they know whatever they are going to use them for putting their flowers, etc. Maybe we'll buy something else. But this thing of it, no, people appreciate it. No, but rather because it's a thing of beauty. Now, Nalway, Hemodimo Arifa, the shape ya high. He Arifa, the shape ya high. Here in the potter's hand. What is the end result of us? Here Fenla Kankela, Refella Renibia. Refella really a good product, or Refella really a reject product now. And Kimun Sunyamuti, Hore, Nalway, has not the potter. Either whatever he has done. And this potter is good because this potter is our God, is our Christ. Over the Lalina to give us a new shape. Herfeta Arabia Fale, He are Relitsoy de Babana, or Relitsoy Landina, or Relitsoy Leo de la Kaketsuko, gain the taste of saltiness now. Harle bone, me le fasi. E le bone, le bal, yatin isulin, over le bone, le bon sang, le facilina. This is now when we are Christians. This is when now we have taken the shape, the potter. Hit the potter at the boba. Are we complying now or are we not complying now? And this now here to an individual. Here more really an end product are we really what God made us to be. Over the 40% then. I saw today repel like 40% or repel like 30% then. University entrance can going on 30%. However, are we proud to be 30% American university entrance now? Some years back, you know the entrance how difficult it was. You needed to be 50% plus to have an entrance. Now, I could look at the percentage, someone if I say, Reina, is God proud about me and you to be the end product you are for rebellion. An example of rebellion in chapter 5, verses 13 and 14. Mola I found two examples. I rebel the soil, and then the soil, the fat. I rebel the bone, the fat. If not, then our percentage as you. Our percentage as you. Then we are a failed product. Asirna product just look what I have bought. It's so beauty, it's a thing of beauty. We are not. Because we failed to be the end product. The potter saying Banavishu, hey, it's a product, it's sure about what we want to do. It's sure, Banavishu. And I doubted that product. For this product, at the end, is going to be like this. Baba parana babu pile dukom, baba babu pile mchanyana, baba babu pile dukolo. But Holy Shoga that would enter into a fire, then you are proud of it. Nanaluena, Kimoto to retevele, repatisise, retevele happy. Am I exactly what the Lord wanted me to be now? If not, Vanavish. It's how we are wasting our time. But Mujimena, or if I chance, I like that part, there will be more how large, or it's a would happy, or very happy, or even a finished and good product. Now, Naduena, Reduya High Malaveno, what kind of a product am I? Arvalin the money happy in Zulu this time, Revalin Kain Chica Speedy, Revalin the money happy, and then I shall exactly what kind of people are we?
The beginning nan by Israeli, General Moon now, Usho Jehovah, the Gani Jemebumba, Esande, Sombumi, Ninjalo, Esande Sami, Nantuka Israel.
Yes, Arvalin Psalm chapter 51 and verse 10. Rena Ribialoka Mopa Siatrin some movie. Now, let us allow movie to give us the new shape. Let us allow movie to reshape us. We are not a good product. Yeah. Now, working every day. Here our studies every day. Here the workshop, the seminars. All what we are doing, Manalishu, we are asking God to give us a new shape. We are asking God to reshape us, to reform us for Naluena. At the end of time, he must be proud about us because the potter in our Christ, our God, I present to you a finished product. And Holy now. He is referring to you. He is referring to me because I've done everything they are laying it. Mubi habupa solo mupa hai. Hakrani kapanyana kafale. Ali to he. What's angala nabrani? It's hard. He removes it. He removes it. Kufala everything yanyaka ever very soft. After fella, then he becomes. He starts and reshape and shape that thing to be an end product. Verse 10 now, Psalm chapter 51 here.
Kulumulu yalakini inhliziyo ehlanzekileyo uvuse umoya oqinileyo phakathi kwami.
God create in me Ne? Pelo yeo e tlhatsogilego, pelo yeo e lokilego, because God is our potter. In whatever we do, every day, every day, let us remember this. You are our potter and give us a new shape. And give us a new heart. Because the source of everything, it will harm with it. Now I'm still trying to find out what the source of thinking, is it from the heart or is it from the brain? Biologically, the doctors they will some contradiction. But the Bible says, Mudimu, give us the new heart, horrible new people. Give us the new heart, horrible but our thoughts are going to change. Romans chapter 6, verse 4. Our heart has changed. From there, we transform this world every day. We change every day. The facility with a big impact. We change it now because we teach it, we transform. Electricians are thinking, if you're an electrician, transform. Okay? How to the work of the transformer? It transforms. That current from medium, it is very high. Every time to transform it becomes reduced. When connected into our homes. Hey, into our homes, 300 megawatts. TV house is blown out. Your microwave is blown out because the current is very heavy. But once you transform it either 220, which is what we use in our homes and everything, it's safe. And that is us, we need to transform because we are in the potter's hand. Thank you. Comment or question?
Now I want to ask Kore, is it possible, Kore, maybe when God was Narabu, when we were going to be Christians, is it possible, or maybe some, like, how we pass it? Maybe we can come in the oven, isn't it? We have to go into the oven.
Yes.
Because how can it be a model? It's not well. It has to go into the oven. How we like it. So, is it possible to anyone are deformed? Because now, I don't think it's what God created. But on the same breath, what is it important? Maybe next to TP, maybe because my understanding of has oven. It's like God is making sure that when we come out being the product.
The finished product.
The finished product. And the AI will be there.
Yes.
So that's why I want to understand the important, where did it go
wrong?
Yeah.
Where did it go wrong? Where did it go wrong? Is it before the oven or in the oven or in the process now? Because we cannot stand the test of time. Just in the oven, we cannot stand the test of time.
I think we probably will delay.
Yeah.
For the church is a hospital, the church is a workshop, the church is, as long as we are in the potter's hand, penalty down. Yeah, but when we come out, I think you will deformation, but I don't know. But who are dealing we have to remain in the hospital so that we can be healed. We have to remain in the workshop for
So you're saying it's a process. It's a process. We are in the working process.
I want to be satisfied. You know when they put us in the oven, in the fire, It's whereby the challenges of this world. And some of us can't stand the heat, they are over. And then I come out. No, it's too hot in here. And then now I come out. And then immediately I come out, I'm not the finished product.
No, you are not.
I'm not the finished product. One could suppose. Ke a utlwa tsa hore motho o botile eng ke batla ho itse hore he ke tsena ka mona nna ke tsa hore ha ke ka mo veng ka mona ke mona gore God makes sure gore when I come out ke dira but ke tlhakana le challenges wa fisa ka mo veng ka mona it's very hard and then I say God no this is too much for me I can't and then I come out. That is why I'm not the product that God wanted to be. And then I'm here in the church now and everything. But immediately when the challenges come, I will defeat someone. Yes.
I think my mother is already answering the question. Let us remain in the oven. Our problem is that when God is putting us through challenges that are hard on us, the heat of the world that is supposed to make us strong, we tend to run away from the heat because we are not finished.
Yeah.
And then as we're running away from the heat, and then we cannot become what God wants us to become because it's promised vote. So the idea is that let us stay in the
let us stay in the potter's hand.
Yes, in the potter's hand, hot as it is.
Yes. But we need to understand this. Let us always remain on the potter's hand. Ne? Harry in the potter's hand. Harry Paul like country. But are to khele ko ba are jan ko no maxima ko ba etli kila pilo ko ba etli let us remain etli and rely on the potter's hand for mudium akonwetsa the finish and the end product about us khenna lwena re gana ko ba etli re gana ko ba the Christians re tsore we are not going to make it through we are not just going to make it through and to make it through Banabisho as whatever they have done, it's not easy. It's not easy. Now, sometimes Christianity is nice, Christianity is good. Nice to say Christianity is difficult. I still say Christianity is difficult, but because of determination, because of my chemistry, because of understanding what now I am on the potter's hand, I'll stay here. I will stay here and I say, come with me, I get it. So now when I the Christ, I will say, let us be a clay and maybe on the potter's hand and maybe do what you want to do about me and you. And when challenges and difficult comes, we don't jump off. We stay here. You are a finished product. And now another record that finished product are reconciling in the process. Record the vase, efidile, over record chanchosa, mutolaba medicine from the wood. No matter you reckon little, but I'm sure you will say, the artist. Ramana, we have those things when you do something. The pila Brahmane. And not going to be live. Very ugly. It's a day. It's one of the floor with some office, but some good. I say, I talk, I bake. No, it's not by baker or by, but I come, I very. Half it's a fella, highly valuable one or waiter. Half it's a fella, highly aquatic, one, I paint, I aquatic. I remember fella by the really basic or what's a price for a program. Don't you want to be one of them? If not, you can understand exactly what it's aiming at. Let us do the correct thing. The correct thing is, let us be on the potter's hand. I remember second saying, I reshape it. I say whatever he wants us to be, or remain a finished and well-polished product. Thank you. Another question or another comment? Another question or another comment? Skela tswana le nna. Na cannot just run. I can't do anything. I can't. But when maybe you can do something there. You can do cups. You can do bass. You can do anything. So it's in your hand. What do you want to know? You want to remain in the Potter side or not?
It's very